Today I wake up so early and really positive. I feel energetic because I'm doing a keto diet. So I feel with so much energy in the morning that I even wash my car. My purpose of this video is to encourage you to feel fantastic with whatever you have on your hand, even if you have a bike, even if you have any kind of car, even if you don't have a car. Uh, just feel grateful with whatever you have and try to be positive, because today for me it was a really an excellent day. I feel uh, I feel I don't know even the word. Like, I don't feel tired, I feel energetic, I feel creative, and that make me so happy. One of the best things that make me happy is to record a video, is to talk to you, is to express. I think it's to express myself. And this is not to show off. Is my really purpose for these videos is to encourage you that a couple years ago, 2 years ago, I had an old van and I put stickers on it and I tried to make like a big sign, and even someone that has been helping me in the business say, hey, that car is old and looks like a circle, como un circo. And I really don't care. I didn't care at that moment. And I said, one day I'm gonna have a better car, but my purpose in life is to advertise my business. If my old car looks like a circle, no circle, like circle, I don't know, circle, I don't know, like a clown, okay, like a clown. As long as it shows that I do the cleaning business, and as long as it shows my number, people is gonna call me. And I realized that because today I went to Publix in Alburdale, and it was the same Publix when I entered to fill my gallons of water for my house after work. I realized that 2 years ago I was with my old van, and on top of the van I had a Ford, an Econoline for 250 extended cabinet, really old, okay, rusty and everything. But on top I put a ladder rack, and on top of that I put like a metal frame, say cleaning, and my telephone number that is 407-572-4118. And today I realized that 2 years ago I was with that van, and even I don't know if I make a video, but if you look in February 2019 on my channel, you will know which van I had, and you will know when I went to Winter Haven and I paid a welder person to make that sign. Even if that looks like a clown, even it doesn't look professional, but I was so happy and grateful at that time. And today I realized that. So I cleaned my van today, so to make presentable to people and to take care of my property, right? And then we went to Lorena with one regular client that I have a couple videos and recording, but I don't know why. I don't know if that happened to you. I don't know. Sometimes I want to edit, okay? But the file I cannot edit. I have to convert the file to another file. It's complicated. I really don't know too much technology, and I try to do whatever I can. So I have a little bit of recording. I don't know if I'm gonna do the remix or not. And then I came home and someone called me. A management company in Champions Gate called me from a year, and he said, I have a really good job for you. Can you help me cleaning this house? It was a long-term vacation home rental, but there is a lot of garbage, and also I need an estimate for pressure washer. Can you do that? Yeah, I will go right now. And I took Blake with me. Black with is my dog. I went to do the estimate, and after that I went to the dog park and relax myself, be with my dog, be with other dogs, come back, pull all the videos and record it for you. God has been really generous with me and giving me the opportunity to change that car because I was about to die in that car. It was really bad. And my sister even helped me to do the down payment to get this car. The difference between 2 years ago and now is, of course, I have a better car, but you need to realize too that I have in just that car along with the bank of more than $33,000. So you need to play your cards. You need to know when is the right moment to invest in your business and be confident that money is gonna show. Okay, it's gonna show to pay your bills. It's gonna show to continue supporting and growing your business. So I invite you. That was Blake watching my card. Um, I invite you to keep subscribing to this channel, keep doing watching my videos, and I hope that someone gets motivated because if I can do it, you can do it. I'm gonna look for those pictures before and try to make a video of my old car. Okay, take care. Fiorella from Any Housekeeping.